Welcome back everyone to another tutorial for the Paralives game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings for the game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up Paralives on your device. And once you are taken into the main menu, you can continue playing from wherever you last left off or start a new game. If you wish to change your controls for the game, simply click on Settings. And now within the settings page, go ahead and click on Key Bindings at the very end. This will now show you all of the keys that have been assigned to your game. In order to change any option, all you need to do is click on the key that has already been assigned, and once you are asked to enter your desired new key, just press your button that you wish to reassign as. This will now be set as your new key right away. You can remap all of your keys based on your desired one, and you can reset your changes by clicking on the Reset to Default option if you mess things up. Once you are done, just go back and your changes will be saved. And now you can continue to play your game with your customized controls right away. In order to change it in the future, you can once again follow the same steps. Go into Settings, Key Bindings, and make your desired switch. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Paralives game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.